Hey, welcome to Handmade Thailand. Come with me while I make a ceramic bank. Cut your graphic to size. When I print these, I print them with a stroke just to make it quicker to cut them out so that you know exactly what size they need to be when they go on the blank. We're doing 2 of these today, so we'll get them out of the box. Remove all the packaging and take the stoppers from the bottom. I obviously had trouble with this one, but it will come out. Now position the graphic onto the bank. The best thing to do here is to actually make sure that the middle of the design lines up with the straight edge of the hole in the top, making sure that the graphic is taped securely and tight to the bank. Next thing you want to do is add the heat shrink. Now I get mine on the roll, but you can get them pre-cut. And you just want to fit these in snugly and pop a bit of tape if it's a bit big. It'll rectify itself when you heat shrink it. Now my heat gun didn't reach my table, so I had to do this off camera. And into the oven for 185 degrees C for 15 minutes. Once out of the oven, you want to remove the heat shrink and the transfer as soon as possible. You don't want to wait until the heat shrink has cooled, as it becomes very brittle and breaks off in small parts and can be quite sharp as well. Also, you want to get that transfer off as quickly as possible to eliminate ghosting. Here is me removing the heat shrink from the second one and getting the transfer off to reveal the graphic. Tell us what you think. Thanks for watching. Love ya. Bye.